sir, we would like to hear from you once again. Sir, how was your experience in interacting with the students from DMS IIT Delhi?
I need to definitely admit that whenever I talk to students, I think what I realize that, the level of awareness has just gone to, just another level. I remember my own days of MBA 2002, 2004 to today, what it has done. I think it is completely magical. I can see that they are very much excited. They have a point of view. I think that's more important, I think. And today, when I was interacting with them, I was really surprised to actually get these questions which dealt with the finer nuances of brands and business rather than being very superficial, right? So I think a very commendable job done by the faculty, because I think that reflects strongly on what kind of students you are actually producing, and kudos to them. And at the same time, I'm very much happy to sort of interact with students who came up with at times a very difficult question actually. So I had to sort of think for a while and figure out, okay, what should be my answer actually.
Yes. As a marketing leader, what would be your advice to the future marketers and aspiring leaders from DMS IIT Delhi and across the country?
I don't know if I have achieved that position to, as a marketing leader, sort of go out and give advice. I think I can just share my experience as to, uh, how the journey was for me, and if that can help somebody else to, figure out few pieces as, the very person, moves up in the value chain of business. See, my first advice is, don't be, short term in your head. I remember a lot many times the conversation used to, about job mila kya, or what's your package? Acha FMCG ho raha hai kya? Acha nahi ho raha. I think these were the kind of, when I think of these questions, I really feel that it was very silly, to, be, worried about these kind of things. We never spoke about as to how is this decision going to, challenge them enough and more. Is it a job move or a career move? That's more important, because I think this is the foundation. So my only advice is for the students that uh, be very thoughtful about your decisions and choices. Don't go for short term benefit. Always look at the larger picture, and more importantly, I'm repeating this point which I always repeat, that as a marketeer, right, because I belong to marketing, always think like a customer. We get carried away by these jargons in marketing and this digital world and tools and technology and I don't know what not, right? But unless and until you wear a customer hat and then take a call, okay, fine, is it really compelling me or not to buy this? I think till that time it's not going to work. So always wear your customer hat. So before you are a marketer, you are a customer. That's my strong belief. And have a point of view, because you spoke about the fact that it is not only for DMS IIT, it's also for otherwise other students as well. So my point is, please have a point of view. I remember I was so scared when I was a student that I never used to ask questions. I used to never have a conversation, right? And I think and I realized that it was a grave mistake. It is really important to have point of view. It doesn't matter whether that point of view is right or wrong, but at least you should have one, right? Unless and until you go and share that point of view, you will not be able to understand the customer, the kind of insights that you want to dig in. Because ultimately these are the inputs for all the marketing programs that you want to use, the strategy that you want to develop, right? So I think please go out and have a point of view, have a conversation about that point of view, and see that if there is something better that you can get convinced with. I think that's very important. So that's my only piece of advice. Otherwise, I think today students are already very much up to date in terms of what is happening in the business world, why it is happening, and at what level it is happening. So I think these are some of the things that will ensure that they reach where they want to reach, and the right way, more importantly.
What would be your suggestions to marketers pursuing their MBA in this highly VUCA world?
I don't know from where you guys go and get these difficult acronyms, VUCA world. Okay, see, the thing is, world was always difficult. It was never an easy story, right? It is just that we love to make things difficult for all of us and believe that, oh, ab to difficult hone wala hai. I think, yes, difficulties will maybe shift here and there, XYZ, but ultimately the challenge will always remain out there, right? So, when I was, passing out, after my MBA program, challenges were very different. Today, when you look at, the MBA students, which are passing out in the next, coming season, maybe for them the challenges are different. But if you look at the situation, challenges are always around, right? The nature of the challenge and the magnitude only will change. So I think my point is that, I spoke about being agile as a brand, if you remember in my presentation. Now, what that means is you need to be very, very agile. See, ultimately, you are also going to become a brand. As a person, you are going to be a brand one day, right? Because you will bring with yourself some values, some benefits, right? Etc. And I think even your personal brand needs to be very, very agile. Now, what I mean is that you need to come out of your comfort zone and take the challenges, head on. I remember, not me, matlab personally, but I remember a lot of my batchmates, who were very, very restricted in their head. Oh, this profile is bad, that profile is bad. How can I do this? How can I do that? That's not meant for me. Isme to paisa kam hai. I think these are again very, very mental roadblocks that we make in our head, which takes us nowhere. I think in today's world it is very important to be agile in terms of taking up a challenge from any direction, because marketing is marketing at the end of the day, right? Maybe later on when you sort of take some experience, then you can sit down with your fork and knife and say, okay, fine, what exact kind of marketing you want to do, etc., etc. But today, be very open, because every avenue that you choose to get associated with will throw a very unique challenge at you. So you need to be very, very open for that. And that is what I mean by agility for the younger generation. I think if that's in place, I think half the problem will be solved.
Thank you so much for the session and for this Q&A session as well, sir. We all liked the session and we hope for much more engagements with Cisca Group and in particular with you, sir.
Thank you so much and remain light years ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.